Gotta love going on walks with Mr. Leo. Okay, I was just trying to pet you, bro. Yeah, I trust him with no harness. Now. Earlier when I first brought him out, I wouldn't trust him. Because I know he'd go running. But then once he see Lola stay close to me, he's learned. He's got to stay close to get off his harness. So, he stays close. Don't you? Yep, just won't let me touch him. Till I gotta pick him up. And then he throws a big ol' hissy fit. Whew. That's a cool rock, I think. There he goes. Bless you. Bless you, big boy. You my big handsomes? Yeah, bless you. Again. So let's see if he'll stay away from this property over here. It's new. They're building stuff up on there. I wanted to buy that property, but I couldn't. I definitely could not. But I got him at least. Don't I? Yeah. Well, telling me to leave you alone. Got it. Left you alone. What you gonna do now? Hey. Are you he's panting. Leo. He was panting. I think he's hot. Hi. I love you too, mister. Yeah. No, good boy. Stop eating grass, though. You're funny. Still gonna eat grass. Hi, handsomes. Yep, you found some more grass to eat. Got it. Now what? Let you know what happens next. Once I know. We're on the move. Still eating grass. That grass is good. Wow. Wow. You're ridiculous, Leo. Huh? Oh my goodness. He's just gonna stop everywhere he sees grass. Yep. Come on. Let's go. Can we go for a walk? Can we walk? Not eat grass? Huh? Oh my goodness. Where are we going? Meow. I got nothing interesting to tell you guys. She says, just watch him. Watch my cat. You gonna follow me? At all? Come on. Come on, bud. Good boy. We're getting closer to the river. That I do know. Meow. Oh, ow. A rock tripped me. Well, hi, bud. Let me sit down with you. I'll sit down. There you go. I sit down. And then he does. He lays. You hot? You the hot handsomes? Where you going? Looks like he's going off by himself. Really? You gonna leave me? You really gonna leave me? What is got your attention? Uh-oh. I might lose my cat. Better watch out, those birds sound mean. Oh, there it is. There's a bird. You better watch out, bro. Those birds sound mean. Yep, it's warning you. It's warning us, stay away. Come here. This is a bad idea. Come here. Come here. Oh, I got him. I got him, birdie. Yeah, I know you're not too happy about that. That bird was warning you to stay away. Yep, it was warning you. Stay away. Wasn't it? I agree. It was definitely warning you. Stay away. Where's the river, though? See if my cat will come to me. Come on. Come on over here. Just looking at the river. He was like, oh, really, Ma? You gotta bring me by some running water? Huh? Yeah. Alright. Well, I want to show you the river. I want to show them the river again. It's pretty. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Oh, if you're wondering what happened, I tried to kill a fly in our window. Like on the window, and the window is very flimsy. I shattered the window and cut some skin. It was either get stitches or get it glued. And if I had stitches, I would have had to have stitches. They would have had to stick a needle in there to numb it and then stitch it up. And I'm not having that. I'm not having them stick a needle inside of my cut just for them to stitch it up. I'd rather have them glue it. So that's what I did. Tomorrow I can take this off. Just so you know, I busted a window on accident. There were like 3 of them flies. 3 flies, and I did not kill one of them. I decided to kill the window. My bad for doing that. I can show you the window when I get home too. Alright, bud, I think it's time to go back home. You're starting to get hot and pant. And slow down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nothing really big besides just me walking Leo. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video, whenever that'll be. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. But here's Leo again. Leo! Say bye-bye. Oh, he rubs up against you guys and says bye-bye. Told you, he's panting. Before we go back home, look at him. He's panting. He's tired, boy. Well, more like I should say hot. Do this once a day, and his stamina will get up there higher. It won't be panting as much, will ya? Alright, let's go home.